Ciao guys and welcome to this new episode of Coffee in the Galley. Today we are gonna talk about gaps in planking. It's one of the most common issues, I suppose, for beginners that are starting with model ship buildings, and it's actually gaps between planks on the hull. It usually happens when the planks aren't tapered correctly or you try to force them to bend too much. Wood will always fight you and it always wins. A quick fix. For smaller gaps, fill with fine sawdust from the same wood mixed with wood glue. For larger gaps, cut a thin steel plank to fit the space perfectly. It's faster than trying to close the gap by bending. You can also use some tape to put on the gap. You use a pencil, you take the shape of the steel plank, so you have the perfect combination for that. Better yet, prevent it by planning your plank runs and tapering evenly. And remember, soaking or steaming planks before bending isn't cheating, it's common sense. Small gaps won't sink your model, of course, but ignoring them will sink your mood every time you walk past it. Cheers!